ECDL Advanced, Lesson 46, Hyperlinks. We're currently working through the section Linking and Importing. So far we've addressed linking cells, linking between worksheets and workbooks, and linking to a Word document. This lesson is about using hyperlinks. When a spreadsheet is being viewed on screen, there are ways of making it easier for users to move to different locations within it, or to access connected information held in other locations. This is done using hyperlinks. A hyperlink can be applied to a cell in a spreadsheet so that clicking the cell will display another location in the sheet which has been predefined with a name. The hyperlink may also display a different worksheet or open a different workbook. Alternatively, the hyperlink could be used for reference purposes, opening a file from a different application or launching a web page. Okay, let's get started. If we open the supplied data file hotel, which I have on the screen now, this is a multi-sheet workbook. I can see here accounts, occupancy and rates. And this workbook has had names applied to some of the cell ranges. Make sure the accounts sheet is displayed. What we're going to do is to add some hyperlinks to this sheet. So, to start with, let's click on cell G2, which is where you'll see the word profit. Select the Insert tab, and within the Links section you'll either see Hyperlink or Link, depending on which version of Microsoft Word you've got. I'm going for Link and then Insert Link. Select Place in this document on the left of the dialog box, and if necessary click the plus sign if the defined names are not showing. So for example, I'm going to hide them now, and now when I press the plus it will reveal them for me. Okay, select the defined name profit. So this has been defined as applying to the net profit figures. That's the figures from here across to here. And then click OK. Next, let's click on cell H2, that's where you can see the text rates. Click the Insert Hyperlink button again, so it's the link over here. Make sure Place in this document is still selected. Now, the names under cell References represent worksheet names, worksheets that are part of this workbook. So, select the worksheet name Rates from this list, and then click OK. Next, let's click on cell I2, that's where it says Information. Again, create the link. This time select Existing File or Web Page. Navigate to your Data Files folder, and then select the Word document Notes. And then click OK. Next, click cell J2, that's where it says Consultants. Again, add a link. Make sure Existing File or Web Page is selected, and then in the address type in www.ciatraining.co.uk, which is the site that accompanies this particular course that we're doing, and then click OK. OK, on the spreadsheet, move the cursor over cell G2, and as we do, we're going to see that the cursor changes to a grab hand which indicates a link. At that stage, click on cell G2, which will display the profit range, as can be seen. Next, let's click the hyperlinked text Rates, which is in cell H2, and the rates sheet is opened. If we click at the bottom to return to the accounts sheet, and then click cell I2. As can be seen, the notes document is opened in your word processing application. Incidentally, if you get a security notice, then click Yes. Now, these were the accounts for the year 2011. But let's say we've picked the wrong one here. Really what we wanted was the up-to-date version, which is 2012. So what we now need to do is to edit the hyperlink. The correct notes are stored in a document called Information. So let's close the word processing application. Right-click on cell I2. Select Edit Hyperlink. And this time, it's down as notes at the moment, change it to information, and then press OK. Let's check that the hyperlink actually does display the 2012 notes now. So click on I2, and there we go, we've now got the 2012 accounts. Close the word processing application, and then click cell J2. If you've got a live internet connection, the CIA training website will be opened in your browser. CIA Training being the provider of the textbook that we're working with right now. Okay, if you close your browser, if we want to delete a hyperlink, so let's say in cell J2 we want to break that link, if you right-click on the cell that contains the link, and then select Remove Hyperlink from the context menu, the hyperlink is then deleted. If we click on J2, we'll find there is no hyperlink there, we're not being redirected anywhere at all. Okay, we're going to be using this spreadsheet for the next lesson. So either please leave it open, alternatively just save this current version with a different name so that you can be using it when you attempt the next lesson. Okay, I look forward to seeing you next time when we're going to be looking at lesson 47, which will be on the topic of importing delimited data. Okay, I hope this has made some sense. I look forward to seeing you next time.